Welcome. This is Easy Piano for Singers, and I'm going to teach you a few ways to introduce this song. So first, let me just go over the chords that we're going to be using. That is C major, C, E, G, G major, G, B, D, F. Let's start. We're starting with C and G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, we're going A and F. 2, B and G. 1, 2, and 3. And let's do that. Now we're going to go to the verse. It says, some say love, it's a river. So this is 4/4 beat. Some say love. We're going to start on C. I am going to do the no inversions here. I want this to be as simple as possible because as it is, the intro is a little tricky. So I'm just going to use the root position for each chord. Okay? All right, so here we go. So we did the intro, right? And here is the verse. Some say love, it's a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it's a razor that leaves your soul to bleed. Some say love, it's a hunger, and endless aching need. C and the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And okay. For instance, if you want to do a little rocking. Just to give it a little different taste. Some say love. That's a little bit more advanced, but I will be touching all these tips in my course that's coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Press that red button and consider becoming a patron.